Hi guys, welcome back to another flow. I'm so excited to be moving with you today. Today's flow is going to be a really fun, dynamic, quick, stretchy, fluid, all the words, right? Practice today. It's going to be on the quicker end and it's going to be a crisscross flow. You'll see what I mean as we get into the practice, but we're going to be stepping from right to left and constantly crossing over ankles, and it's going to be a really fun practice. So let's dive on into a nice fluid dynamic practice. All right, coming into a child's pose. Just dropping in here for a quick breath or two to get us grounded, and then we will start to move. Big toes together, knees wide. Slide the arms out long. Melt the forehead down, and we are going to take some breath to allow us to arrive in our bodies, arrive on our mats. And really, with this grounded breath, just giving ourselves permission to be here for the next 10 minutes or so. 3 big breaths. Inhale, filling up those lungs. Exhale out the mouth, let it go. 2 more. One more. Next inhale, we walk those hands over to the right, placing left palm on top of right, really pressing down through the left hip and getting that length all the way through the left side of the body. Inhale. Exhale, back through center, walking those hands over to left. Right palm places on top of left, getting some length through the right side body, really pressing down through the right hip. Inhale. Exhale, we walk back through center, spread through those fingers, ground down through the palms. Inhale, we round forward, starting to roll out the spine. Exhale, we arch back. Inhale, we round. Exhale, we arch. Inhale, we round. Exhale, we arch back. Next inhale, we shoot forward, wrists under shoulders, knees underneath the hips, few cat-cows. Inhale, we arch. Exhale, we round. Inhale. Exhale. Minimal cueing today for the sake of a shorter practice, so listen to your body. Inhale. Exhale, round. Flat back, neutral spine. Next inhale, left arm reaches high. Exhale, we thread that left arm through, drop the left shoulder, left side of the head down. We take 1 breath here. Inhale. Exhale. Unravel, swap this out, opposite side, left palm plants. Inhale, right arm sweeps high. Exhale, thread through, right shoulder drops, right side of the head drops. Inhale here. Exhale, we hold here. Next inhale, we unravel, wrists underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. Next inhale, we kick that right leg back, flex to the right foot, hip, knee, ankle in line. And then as we exhale, we're gonna take a nice big step of the right foot off to the right side. And then option to keep the hands right through center or walk the hands over to the right for this funky little twist, deepening the stretch through the inner thigh space on this right side. Inhale, exhale back through center, and then from here we kick that right leg back, point through the right toes, extend the left arm to follow. Inhale, filling up. Exhale, knee to elbow, we crunch 2 more. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, extend. Exhale, back to tabletop. Inhale, left leg kicks back, flexing to the left foot. Exhale, kick that left foot off to the side. Option to stay right through center. I keep getting ahead of myself with this one. Or walk the hands over to the left side, just deepening that stretch through adductor inner thigh space on this left side. Inhale. Exhale, back through center. Next inhale, we kick that left leg back, point to the left toes. On your next exhale, knee to elbow, we crunch. Inhale, extend. Exhale, we crunch. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, tabletop. Tuck the toes, fly it back, down dog. Take 1 breath here in stillness. Filling up. Letting go, just finding a quick moment here for some pedals, a gentle movement in our down dog. 3 chaturanga push-ups here, on or off the knees. Honor what feels good for your body here. Inhale, we shoot forward, high plank. Exhale, push-up. Inhale, press back, 1 breath per movement. Exhale, down dog, 2 more. Inhale, plank. Exhale, push-up. Inhale, plank. Exhale, down dog, 1 more. Inhale, push-up. Exhale, plank. Inhale, push-up. Exhale, down dog. From here, straight away, getting into our main sequence. We sweep the right leg high. Exhale, right knee, right elbow. Inhale, kick back. Exhale, right knee, right wrist. Inhale, kick back. Exhale, right knee, left elbow. Inhale, kick back. Exhale, right knee, left wrist. Step that left foot through. Little cross body, kick it high to our standing split. And on your next exhale, we're just gonna cross that left ankle behind the right. Fingertips drop down to the mat. Inhale, halfway lift and lengthen, flat back. Exhale, palms plant. We're gonna step back with the left foot. So back to that kind of like cross lunge funky position here. Kick the right leg back. Inhale, exhale, knee towards the nose. Inhale, we're gonna cross right ankle over the left. Kick it forward, high plank. Option to stay here or a little funky cross chaturanga push-up. Inhale, press back. Exhale, down dog. We unravel. 1 breath here. Inhale, filling up. Exhale, letting go. From here, left side, we move. 1 main sequence through right and then through left. Inhale, sweep the left leg high. Exhale, left knee, left elbow. Inhale, kick back, 3 leg down dog. Exhale, left knee, left wrist. Lots of lefts and rights here. Inhale, kick back. Exhale, left knee, right elbow. Cross body. Inhale, kick back. Exhale, left knee, right wrist. Step it through us, a little cross lunge. Kick it high, half split. And then on your next exhale, we're gonna step that right foot right behind the left. Fingertips down to the mat. Inhale, halfway lift and lengthen. Exhale, palms plant. From here, we're gonna keep that right foot ground, or the left foot grounded rather. Take that step back on the right foot. So just kind of reversing our order here that we stepped in with. And then we're gonna kick that left leg back. 3 stance down dog. Inhale. Exhale, left knee to the nose. And then we're gonna step that left foot over to cross over the right here. Inhale. Exhale. We're gonna move through our high plank. Option to stay right here or add in a little funky crossed chaturanga push-up. Inhale, press back. Exhale, down dog, we unravel. Take a breath in. Take a breath out. From here, we are gonna drop down to tabletop, cross ankles over each other, since that is a common theme today. And we're gonna sit all the way back in the hips, kick those legs through, scooch forward on your mat if you need to create a bit more space. And then we are gonna drop all the way down to the back body here. Opening up, arms open out into a T or a cactus, whatever feels best for you. And then we're just gonna take a window wipe here as we start to slowly but surely wind things down for our quicker flow today. From here, we're gonna hug those knees in, forehead to knee, chin to chest. Nice tight squeeze, option for some stillness or a little rock side to side. Inhale here. And then exhale, head and shoulder blades drop back down to the mat, crossing right ankle over left, open those arms back out, and then we're just gonna drop those knees over to left, gaze drops over the right shoulder, 2 breaths here. Filling up, letting go. Inhale, creating that space for your body. And then exhale, just relaxing into that space. Next inhale, we arrive back through center, and then just opposite, cross left ankle over right, move the knees over to the right, gaze drops over the left shoulder. Inhale. Exhale. 1 breath here, filling up. Last exhale in this twist, let it go. coming back through center, and we are gonna find our open Shavasana, soles of the feet together, knees wide, arms just lay by the sides, palms facing up, Supta Baddha Konasana. And really the beauty of these shorter practices is it's nice and accessible. It doesn't feel like a, daunting task, if you will, to step on your mat for an hour practice or whatever it may be. It's just a nice quick blast to get you into your body, totally reset mind, body, nervous system, energy. And you can always make it your own. Repeat it once, twice, 3 times. And I like to say it really honors that 10-minute rule. Asking yourself to step into movement, whether that be a workout or a yoga practice, for only 10 minutes. And if after that 10 minutes you're done, awesome, you got 10 minutes of movement in. Most likely though, after those 10 minutes, you are going to be in the groove and into your movement and craving maybe just a little bit more. And it's a nice kind of hack to get yourself into some really feel good, nourishing movement in your day or your evening. So with that, I am gonna leave you with 3 big, deep cycles of breath that we'll take together with the invitation, if you choose to accept, to hang out in your Shavasana for maybe just a little bit longer. And give yourself permission to linger here. But for now, 3 deep breaths. Inhale, filling up. Exhale, letting go. 2 more. And I honor you so much for moving with me today. I'll see you in the next one. Namaste.